For the last 33 years, we at Century 21 Heritage Group have really implemented the industry's best in technology and tools in order to help you be more efficient and provide better service, of course, to your clients. One of the things we would do is full service typing of offers and help you if you're on the road, or if you just wanted us to provide those typing services, you could fill in a cheat sheet. In front of me here is the cheat sheet that we had in the past. And like you can see, pen to paper would take you some time to do that. Now with this day's technology, it should be easier. So we implemented something called VirtualOffers.ca. So go to any one of your browsers, type in VirtualOffers.ca. And as long as you're signed into the Century 21 email address with Google, we need to verify that you are an agent with us. So you will sign in using your Century21.ca email account. You will be able to, during these times, Monday to Friday, 9 to 8, Saturdays and Sundays, get your offers typed for you. You're at a showing, you want to put in an offer, and time is of the essence, of course, these days. So you'll jump on your phone, type in VirtualOffers.ca, sign in using your Century 21 email address, and you'll be able to answer some questions. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, our office will be on it. Hopefully first in line typing your offer. If there's a few ahead of you, they'll let you know how long that'll take, but it'll get the process started. And that'll provide a great opportunity for you to get that ball rolling. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. You'll type in your name. You'll type in your email address. Say if it's right there. Your cell phone number. And the address of the property. And the address of the property is just to confirm that that's the property we're putting the offer in. We're going to ask for the MLS number in a bit, and that'll bring in a lot of information. Which office you're part of. If you want Newmarket to type your offer, it'll go to Newmarket. And what type of offer. We're going to do the residential freehold purchase, a condo purchase, or a residential lease. So I'm just going to choose one of those and hit next. What that'll allow you to do is start putting in the information, very similar to what the cheat sheet asks for. We are the cooperating broker, what MLS number, your buyer's names, any additional names. We're going to bring in the municipal information with regards to city, frontage, depth, legal description. But if there's anything different, you can put that in there. The offer price, deposit amount, and if you don't have this information yet, that's okay. Leave it blank. We'll give you a blank form with that sort of a form that's filled in with that section blank. That's okay. Deposit amount, herewith upon acceptance. So it would be, let's say upon acceptance, deposit will payable to the listing brokerage, Schedule B, irrevocable by the buyer, irrevocable date, time, completion date. You're going to go through and answer these questions. The clauses, if you are going to add anything different from the typical clauses that we suggest you put in every offer, then we do have a clause sheet available by clicking on that link, and you'll have any additional clauses available to you in order just to review and then put the actual name of the clause right in here. Any of the finance dates and times or any of the information about the clauses you'll need to put in there, the survey, how many buyers visits, and then any of the other forms. So all the other forms that you would need for the transaction, if you haven't done the working with the realtor, confirmation of cooperation, Form 801, buyer representation agreement, we'll do these for you. We'll send it off to you. It'll all be in a nice package so you can print it off. You can put it into Authentisign. It will be saved in your web forms folder. So your transaction folder, if you logged into web forms after this is all done, it'll be available to you as well. We'll also email it to you. Any other direction or information you can put on there. And of course, you'll always read and confirm that this is a typing process. If there are any discrepancies, errors, that's for you to look over and make sure it's correct before you have somebody sign, of course. So you check mark that you'll do that, and then you'll get a copy of your responses. The system's set up to send it to the office that you've selected. That'll be assigned to somebody. You'll get a confirmation they received it and assigned it to that person. So if you have any questions, you can always call that person. And we're there to make your life a lot easier, more efficient, and of course, provide the better services. So if you have any questions, any concerns, you can always contact us at any time. Again, we're here for you and we got your back.